showgirl for a bride. I thought my life would be right. I took a bone and got a heart. Got myself a showgirl bride. And then there's this other part that goes, all my life, all her life, all my life. I met a showgirl, and that's for life. I met a showgirl, that's for life. That's the chorus. So let's learn the song. It's Showgirl by the Auteurs. Showgirl is like someone who appears in like a Broadway musical or something like that. It's more like something term used before they had motion pictures. There are chords in this, and you need to pay attention and play those. If you want to avoid that, you can play it with maybe a little more distortion and just do power. Hey, it's enough. It's my girl. Okay, let's learn how to play this song. It starts on A. And then it goes to G sharp minor, and then ends up on a C sharp minor. So we're going just like this fret is 5, 4, 4. And then the next part it starts over. G sharp, and it goes to a F sharp, and then ends on D, and that's like a reset. So all together, it's that's the first part of the verse. And then that kind of starts to repeat. That's all the same. A, G sharp minor, C sharp minor. But then it goes right to F sharp minor to B. That completes the verse. So altogether, it's that's the whole verse. And then the chorus is starts on D, playing D major, C sharp minor, life is B, and then it goes. It does the same thing except it replaces the D for an A. Then the first part repeats. And then it goes. I met a showgirl, that's for life. A to B. I met a showgirl, that's for life. Oh yeah, there's the only other part is this little guitar solo after the second chorus. It goes like this. F sharp minor. I'm just playing the E power chord, but you can play E major if you wanted to. And then it goes to D. And that's kind of like a little bridge that they play a guitar solo over. Playing that B minor pentatonic for that guitar solo at the 7th fret. Okay, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that. Bye.